Today, we're diving into the LED Sunlite Compact 3-tier grow light system by Gardner's Supply Company. Designed right here in Vermont, USA, this grow light system sets a new standard for indoor gardening and seed starting. What stands out immediately is its sleek yet rugged construction, featuring a rust-proof, powder-coated aluminum frame that promises durability for years to come. The system includes 3 light fixtures, each equipped with 2 2-foot LED light tubes. These LEDs are not just any lights. They're designed to mimic natural sunlight, providing a full spectrum that's perfect for nurturing everything from delicate seedlings to robust houseplants and even orchids. The benefits of LED technology shine through in energy efficiency and longevity, ensuring your plants get the light they need without running up your electricity bill. Assembly is straightforward, and the compact design makes it suitable for various indoor spaces, whether you're setting up in a greenhouse, a spare room, or even a corner of your living space. Each purchase is backed by Gardner Supply Company's guarantee, promising satisfaction and performance throughout the lifetime of the product. For anyone serious about indoor gardening or looking to kickstart their seedlings with the best possible light, the LED Sunlite Compact 3-tier grow light system is a clear choice. Join countless gardeners who have already elevated their indoor gardening game with this Vermont-made powerhouse.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.